Okay, are you seeing my screen for the house rule? Those house rules are important for you all, okay? Now, first thing first, to turn on the video is compulsory so that I see whether you are with me or not, okay? So it's good to mute your mic because, one should be speaking. If you need to talk, go to the chat function. There's a chat function for you. Everybody can use the chat, all right? If I miss out any important messages, you can always, how to say, prompt me, all right? Turn on your mic unless it's urgent. Okay, don't turn on the mic, then say, ask you a question. Then I say, yes, what question? Can I go toilet? Don't need don't need to say, teacher, I go toilet. Say, type inside the chat function. Say, yeah, I got to be in the toilet now. Can I go? Things, don't need to ask, just go. Okay, and come back. Okay, so if you have any question, please type it inside the chat. If you have your own answer, don't have to unmute and speak the answer. If it's not your turn, never mind. You want to answer, can put into the chat function. Okay. All right. You want to share your feedback after the lesson? Yeah, also use the chat function. Remember to raise your hand. Okay. All right. Then I want you to be respectful. Do not annotate anything if you are not called for. Okay. You can type anything on the chat. Answer here. I welcome you. All right. Okay. So today we will add in one item called Kahoot later on, okay? And we will continue from last week's learning objective, part 2, solving the question involving the area, the circumference of the circle, and with other basic shapes like rectangle, square, triangle, mostly are all these, no other shapes already. Then we've also cut and paste, we use last week called cut and paste. Remember cut and paste or not? Cut from one and paste on the other and they make a perfect match. Okay, we call that cut and paste. Okay, then it's already here. Formula, we recap. Okay, may I have Serena unmute yourself? Can you give me what is the formula for this area of circle?
Pi times R times R.
Very good. 5 times R, which will give you pi r squared. Good job. How about Jaden? I want the circumference for the circle.
Pi D.
Jordan is pi d. Who answer for you so kind?
Answer.
Tommy, you answer for him. I say you can. Is it Tommy that answer for Jaden? Then who is answering for Jaden?
Nobody.
Oh, Jaden, you answer yourself.
Yeah.
No, it's not Jaden's voice. Today not April Fool. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, who is the one? Does he told me who answer is it? Okay, so it's not your turn. You can type, right? I say you can type to me. All right. In total, we have 4 of you only here. Okay, so you can't run away from me. I know who you are. Okay, next page. Before we go on, then how about semicircle? How about circumference of semicircle? You just need to divide them by 2 only. Okay, let's start. Okay, the figure is formed by a circle with an isosceles triangle PQR. Okay, so that is a right angle triangle and also isosceles. Okay, 2 sides are equal. That's all you know for this isosceles so far. Diameter is 56. Okay, meaning the radius will be 28, half of it. Find the difference in between the 2 shaded parts. Now, 2 shaded part meaning you must use the area of this part, big one, minus the area of the second part. Okay? All right. So first thing first, we have the radius first. We need that, okay? So for radius, you have 56 divided by 2. and that get down to 28. All right. So what can we do as a shortcut? Do you realize I can cut and paste here? You see this shaded corner and I put it into shade corner. I cut and then paste here. It actually turned out to be a triangle also here. Okay. So what I can do is I must find the area of triangle and the area of the semicircle. Okay. And if I were to use this to minus the triangle here, I get two parts, right? The area of the semicircle. So I can find two parts, then I divide by 2, but I can do a cut and paste straight away. I just use my area of the triangle to minus away my circumference straight. Because I don't want the A1 minus A2 ma. Ayo. Okay. Oh, Jordan naughty. Okay. All right. Thank you, Jordan, for saying that. Yeah. Okay. So shortcut, I'm doing the shortcut. Later, if you want me to do the long one, then you ask me. First, I must find the area of triangle. Which triangle? Then you puzzle, right? Let me show you which triangle here. Here, lor, this is the triangle. Okay? Lightning. No, thunder, sorry. Let me do it in pen. So first, area of triangle. And I'm looking for the PQR, okay? This PQR refer to the yellow one. Okay, to find this, I need to have half times base times height. Okay, this one you can use calculator. So give me the answer for half 56. You will get 1,568. Okay, and that is for the triangle. Maybe I put it in this color. I try to put it in color there. See whether does this relate. I put it here. No, this is the one I am looking for. So far, okay. Now, since I cut the A2 into there already, now I'm using purple, purple pen to indicate this is A2 also after cutting and paste. Okay, but I need to use the triangle, right? Because I want to find A1 to minus the A2. So I might as well get the triangle to minus the semicircle. Okay, so I say area of semicircle due to the cut and paste. Understand? Okay, so semicircle is half pi r squared. Remember we say r squared, r times r. So you have pi as 22 out of 7. Okay, so I change this to 22 out of 7. So 0.5 times 22 over 7 multiply by 28. You get 1232 here. Okay, so I just need to use the difference in the shaded portion, right? So difference in shaded area. Okay, so I just use the triangle minus away the area of semicircle. So where was that? 1568. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Jordan, for that. 111. Help me to minus. Can you help me to minus and input the answer there, please? 1. Can you minus for me, please? No input. Just now you all have inputs, right? Put in the chat. Put in the chat so I can write here. 300. Thank you. Wow, that's fast. Thank you. Okay, so that's the answer for the difference in the shaded. I use the triangle to minus because I need to minus away the A2 again. Okay. This one is through cut and pasting. 336. So far, okay. This one needs you to do the, how to say, step by step. Okay. Don't go and do in the whole string. Somebody do it the whole string like what this half times 56 times 56 minus what half times 22 over 7 times 28. Break them into parts. Okay, the reason is because when you break them into parts, then you get your metal box here and there neatly presented, okay. All right, let me go on. Okay, so this is the explanation at the side working. The figure is formed by what? Formed by one circle and the isosceles triangle. All right. Okay. Number 2, the figure show 4 circles, 1 square, PQRS. So this is a square. You got 4 circles, and the area of the square is 400. So 400 cm square refers to this. So with the area of 400, you are able to find the side, right? Because area will give you side multiplied by side. Okay, I should do the other way around. I put area is one of the side multiplied by the other side. Okay, so equals to, and this side multiplied by this side must be a same number. So technically, your side working, what you can do is square root of 500 equals to 20. So this is 20 multiplied by 20 cm. Okay, then the other side 20 cm also. But do you see I have a lot of equal sign here? Why am I doing all the equal sign? Because all the radius so I'm going to put them into 5, 10, 15, 20. So all the 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 times 4 give you 20. So the radius itself is of the small circle is 5. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at the radius for the small circle. Okay, must indicate. All right. So I want inputs. Pi, the area of the shaded part here. Okay, what I'm going to do is to focus on this small one first. Why I need to have the small one? Because I want to find one part. So can I focus on this square? I draw this square. Then after that, I want to find whatever is inside. We call it the area of this circle. Okay, I'm going to color whatever inside. Okay, so what I'm going to do later on, I can use my square to minus away my green circle, and I left with a lot of things called the 4 corners. Okay, then I use the orange one. Perhaps I use the orange one, orange, orange, orange. Do you see I got 4 orange? Okay, then after that, I want to find one orange. I divide by 4. Okay, or I don't even need to have 4 because I cut and paste. I'm going to show you where I can cut and paste. Okay, I use a pen now. Now cannot use this. See,